Hello everybody and welcome to our first ever craft club.
Craft club!
Whoa! Today we are joined by the wonderful Sonny and Orson. Could you give us a wave, guys?
Hi. Yeah.
Hello! And behind the
Hello,
camera...
viewers!
Yeah, behind the camera we've got Beth as well, who's just running around to wave. There we go. So, today we're going to make something out of a cereal box and some magic corners. You can use sellotape at home if that's all you've got. Corners are probably a bit easier. So what we're going to make is a monster. Whoa. So it's not too hard to make. I can hear a monster. We will be joined by Blink from our J Heroes comics. These are the heroes who are trying to save the world from eco-disaster.
Hello everyone, I'm Blink.
That's Blink. He's gone. Sometimes he comes back. So, boys, you have got brown envelopes, haven't you, with your templates in? Should we open those? So what we're going to do is draw around the number 4 template first. So if you get your number 4, and then we need some cereal box. When we draw around things, we don't just put them in the middle. Why do you think we don't do that?
You use all of your space up and then you won't be able to do any more things.
Exactly right. So put it in the corner and then we're going to draw around it together. Yeah.
Dad, this doesn't look very good.
You've done a good one. Can you show me, Sonny? Oh yes, that's really, really good. Well done. Do you want to cut it out now?
Yeah.
Nice and carefully. We're going to go. Snip, snip. Oh, Orson, you've done it already. Crikey.
Oh, wow. I haven't even started much.
That's all right, Sonny. We've got plenty of time. Shall we have a little joke to amuse us? Or maybe it won't amuse us. Okay, you ready?
What day of the week do monsters eat people?
What day of the week do monsters eat people?
I couldn't hear that.
Oh, we're...
What day of the week do monsters eat people?
Label. What's that?
What day of the week do monsters eat people?
April.
April? Could be.
Sunday.
Sunday? Should we hear?
Saturday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Whee!
Tuesday. Oh, it's a terrible joke. Is that awful or what?
Oh, I get it. You chew them.
Oh,
I think I get it.
me. You've done it. Brilliant. You've beaten me. Look, I'm still just here.
Good.
I'm just about to do my last bit.
I'm always second in a race.
Well, that's not
Because
a bad thing. You have to be very fast to finish second.
I know.
You're like, yeah,
Sorry.
yeah, that's pretty good. I was always last. I'm not very fast.
I always go second in
That's
the
brilliant.
competition of getting dressed. I'm
Oh.
always second.
Always second.
And he's always
That's all right.
first and Mum's always last.
Oh, right. Well, you're probably thinking about other things, aren't you?
Now
Shall we
what
cut
can
out
we
the next?
do?
Should we cut out the next piece?
Yes!
So what are we going to do now? Number
It's
1.
one.
Number 1.
Okay. Yes, sir.
If you want, you could draw number 2 as well. And then we can cut them both out. Orson, have you lost something? Oh.
No,
He's found
Should
it.
I just trace out all of the shapes?
No, we're just doing 1 and 2 at the
You
moment.
could probably
And now
write on those ones 1 and 2 so you know the difference. It's better.
yeah, it's actually okay when you put it together. It'll be all right. It'll be all right. Everyone has got to look.
Eyeballs.
Here we go. So, take this piece, which was number 4, wasn't it? And what we're
This
going to
one.
do, number 4, and then take one magic corner.
I
Like
have
this.
that.
Now, you want the corner to face up. So the bit that you put a bit of card in here is facing up. Yeah? And we're just going to put that on there. Hold the piece of card near the corner, otherwise the card will bend. So try and hold it near. It's easy with big hands. Then just wiggle it on. And then you should have one like that.
There.
Do you want to hold up where you are? We should see how you're getting on. That's right, Orson. And Sonny, that's looking good. Yes, perfecto. Good. Let's do the other side. How are we looking? Excellent. Good work. I love that. Cool. So now we're going to take these 2 pieces here. Now, these have a short bit and a longer bit here. The short bit goes at the bottom. So you've got 2 they're going to go like that. So the corner is facing down this time. So it's a smooth bit at the top. So we're just going to push that on there. Push it on as low as you can at the bottom. So it lines up on the bottom. Well done, Sonny. Well done, all. Super duper. And this one, just put that on near the top. Or about in the middle is fine.
Do the same on the other one.
You do
Like
the
that.
same as the other.
Just do it like that. We don't need to put any on the other one. What we're making is the front bit of our monster, and it goes on the back. So it's
Okay.
easiest to put this bit here. Can you see, Sonny? Just push that in there. So it's like that. And then push it in there. So that's like that. So we've got one piece like that. That looks good, Sonny. Orson, you've jumped ahead and done it.
Oh.
He's
Oh,
always,
sorry, no,
yeah,
I've done that.
that's okay.
Ah.
You've worked, it's brilliant. Good. And now, Sonny, that looks brilliant, everyone.
The other side.
We are going to put this piece in on the other side. And then when you get to the end, you just push them in.
There.
Right.
Oh, push them in.
Yeah, so how far have you got? Show me how far you've got. Are you doing it already? Well done. Well done. I'm just going to push mine in. That's good. Just push that one in there. And now we've got...
Like this.
That is absolutely perfect. Well done. Orson, yours is perfect too? Oh, well done, boys. So what we've got to do now is a little lid that goes on the top. Can you guess which template that is? Which number?
The last one?
Well, there's 2 left.
Oh, this one. I nearly couldn't find it.
That's it. Number 3. Oh, you've done it already. Whew. Sonny, I think you were second again. Very good at being second. Here we go. So
very
let's
second,
put
though.
these on. So what we do, we've got our little monster. So we need to put this on top. So hold your
I think you have to get these.
segment. Yeah, that's right. And then you put them on one here. And then we put on one here. Well done, perfect. Right, so what we're going to do now is pop it on the top. So it just goes on here. And we just push that one down there. And then we push this one on here. Do you want to show me? Have you both got whole men? Monsters?
My mum's doing it, so it's easier.
That's fair enough. It's very helpful. Let's cut out number 5, shall we? Because that's a tricky one to cut.
Yeah. Ta-da!
Perfect,
it.
Sonny. Oh, that
Me
is
too,
a
look.
good bit of tracing.
I'm just going to cut it
Very
out.
good. So this
Yeah.
bit is the tongue. And it goes on the front here. Can you see?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? So we need to put 2 corners on the tongue, don't we? Or we could put... Actually, let's put 2 corners in the mouth first. I think that might be easiest. You done it? Do you want to hold them up? Let's have a look. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, you put a whole lot in. You're way ahead of me. Okay, I'm gonna have to push my bit in.
Oh.
He's shouting.
Well done, boys. So I'm gonna do
He's
mine.
shouting.
Yeah.
He's actually shouting.
Should we just draw some eyes very quickly? And then
Okay.
So that's
Wait,
what
colour it
he
red.
looks like. I'm just going to draw an eye here.
Oh.
Oops. I've done it a bit wonky. What you can do is take it apart. And I'll do a big eyeball there. And I'm going to colour that in. If you do a little triangle like that, it looks like a bit of a highlight. You done an eye?
I've done 2.
You did 2? You're miles ahead. Wow! That is brilliant. Oh, Orson's done 2 as well. Excellent. Should we see that? I think they're brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Should we see what Blink thinks?
Wow, Sonny, that's amazing.
Oh, well, he likes it, doesn't he? He thinks it's pretty good. Orson, what's he think of yours?
Cool, awesome, I love that. Whee!
There we go. And I just think, wow, 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 wow. Wow! So, that is the end of this week's show. Are you going to colour yours in, boys?
Bye.
Lovely.
Bye.
And we will see you next
Bye.
week. Sonny and Orson, thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.